Tonight, you're going to do something so ordinary that you probably won't even notice it. You'll get tired. Maybe around 10 p.m., maybe midnight. Your eyelids will feel a little heavier, your thoughts will slow down, and eventually, you'll climb into bed and fall asleep. But what if you didn't? What if tonight was the last time you ever slept? Not because you couldn't, because you chose not to. At first, nothing dramatic would happen. You'd make it through the first night. You might even feel strangely energized. Many people do. Your brain responds to sleep loss by releasing stress hormones that temporarily keep you alert. You'd drink some coffee, maybe laugh about how tired you are. You'd assume the worst part is simply staying awake. But that's because you've never seen what happens next. Because sleep isn't like food. It's not even like water. You can survive weeks without eating. You can survive days without drinking. But sleep is different. Sleep is so important that every animal scientist have ever studied does some version of it. Birds sleep. Fish sleep. Reptiles sleep. Even tiny insects enter sleep-like states, which raises an uncomfortable question. Why? What is so important that evolution preserves sleep across hundreds of millions of years despite the obvious danger? Think about it. When you're asleep, you're unconscious. You can't hunt. You can't gather food. You can't reproduce. You can't defend yourself. For most of human history, falling asleep was one of the most dangerous things you could do. Yet every species on Earth keeps doing it, night after night, generation after generation. Evolution usually eliminates weaknesses, but it never eliminated sleep. Because whatever sleep is doing must be more important than the risks of being unconscious. And the moment you stop sleeping, you discover why. After 24 hours awake, your brain begins to malfunction. After 48 hours, reality starts to bend. After 72 hours, your mind can begin producing dreams while you're still awake. And after enough time, you may no longer be able to tell the difference between what's real and what isn't. The terrifying part isn't that sleep deprivation makes you tired. The terrifying part is that it slowly dismantles the very thing that makes you human. Your memory, your judgment, your emotions, your perception of reality itself. And unlike hunger, you can't simply push through it forever. Because eventually, your brain starts taking sleep, whether you agree to it or not. So how long could a human actually survive without sleep? The answer takes us from one of the strangest experiments ever conducted to the absolute biological limits of the human mind. And what researchers discovered reveals something deeply unsettling. Your need for sleep is not a preference. It's not a habit. It's not even a choice.